name's Janusz. Welcome to my English channel. Today we're going to learn when to use the simple past tense. So let's dive in. We use simple past to talk about things that are no longer true. For example, when I was young, I was afraid of spiders. This means I am no longer afraid of them. Okay? Or as a child, my sister was very shy. This means she isn't shy anymore. Okay? And finally, I did not know how to drive a car until I turned 18. This means now I know how to drive a car. Okay? We also use simple past to talk about historical events, okay? Well-known facts from the history, okay? For example, World War II lasted 6 years. Or Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon. And finally, Sistine Chapel was painted by Michelangelo. Finally, we use simple past to say when something happened in the past, okay? For example, I had oatmeal for breakfast. I'm telling you when I ate oatmeal. Or I visited my grandparents last weekend. I'm telling you when I saw my grandparents, okay? And finally, my friend was here yesterday. I'm telling you when I saw my friend. Now, did you know we can also use simple past for present situations? Okay? This may sound strange, but there are times when this is possible. Okay? Imagine you're in a grocery store, ready to pay for your items, for your groceries, but you forgot these bananas in the basket. Okay? Now, the store clerk could pick them up and say, "Did you want these?" Notice, he's using simple past, not present tense. Why? He wants to be polite. He wants to be formal, okay? He's creating what we call social distancing that is expected in a public place. Or you're at a mall, okay? You see someone you met recently, but you forgot their name. Okay? As you are talking, you could say, "What was your name again?" Okay? See, we are using simple past, not simple present. Why? We want to sound soft. We want to sound polite. In a way, this is a way of expressing that we feel a little bit embarrassed or guilty about not remembering their name. And finally, you want to make an appointment with your doctor. When you are talking on the phone, okay, with the receptionist, you could say, "I wanted to schedule an appointment with Dr. Smith next week." Why? Again, you are using the simple past tense, okay? Because you want to be polite, you want to be formal, okay? You want to create that social distance. This use of simple past is especially useful when we make formal requests in English. Okay, let's review. We use simple past to talk about things that are no longer true. We use it for historical events. We use it to say when something happened, and also sometimes for present situations. Okay? If you feel like you've learned something today, feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you soon.